In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can connect Shopify store to your YouTube channel. You can simply connect your Shopify shop to YouTube in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your YouTube studio. On the Earn page, tap on Shopping right here. Tap on Connect Shop. Select Shopify. Read through all the terms and conditions. Then tap on Accept. Tap on Go to Shopify. Install this right here and set up your Shopify store. If you don't have one, you will follow procedures to open up one. If you already have your Shopify store, just install and connect your store to your YouTube channel. That's how easy it is to connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.